The GrantsConnect Disbursement Report will generate a report showing the payment status information based on the date range selected. The Disbursement Report is an out-of-the-box or standard report with filters available to compile the relevant information that you need. Permissions are required to access the report, and data is not segmented. Segmentation defines what information can be viewed based on permissions and workflow assignment, so this report includes all data and cannot be restricted. It can be downloaded in a number of forms, and throughout this presentation you'll see click paths. A click path is the series of features that should be clicked on in order to access the function being described. We've also included a search term for ease of navigation in the Help Center. The GrantsConnect Help Center contains release notes, get started guides, a video library, and access to Community and Idea Bank. It's accessible at any permission level and can be found by clicking the question mark icon on the upper left side of the screen. To search for a specific topic, type a search term in any field containing a spyglass icon. This is an example of the information found in the entry describing Disbursement Report. The Disbursement Report is accessed by clicking on the Payment Processing function on the left side of the screen. Once Payment Processing opens, Disbursement Report has its own tab in the center of the screen. The default filters are last 30 days and all programs selected, but the date range can be changed to a relative date range up to 365 days or specific calendar dates. You can also select individual programs. Reports can be downloaded and they will be displayed as a list view. From the list view, additional research can be done based on check payment information, or you can go into the recipient's account or view the application. The downloaded version of the report will contain transactional information and the current status of the disbursal.